Hello everyone, Justin here, and welcome to part 5 of how to draw bubble letters. So let's go ahead and get going with the letter W. It'll be just like the M basically, except upside down. So here's our first stroke and kind of making it roundish, and we'll make this section fairly round, kind of ovalish, and make the right side out here and then curve this part right here, and we'll do the same here to form a wrinkle, and that's basically our W. And let's look at our X. So we've got 4 arms coming from the center, and we're going to make each of those fairly bulbous. So here's our upper left, and then here's our upper right, and here I'm going to make the lower legs a little bit larger, and finally the lower right, and just add a couple wrinkle lines there, and that's our X. So let's draw letter Y, and I'm going to draw this so that we've got one stroke coming out to the left, but our main stroke will be this way. So go out this way and make this go all the way down, and then curve the lower arm here. Okay, let's draw our last letter, our Z. So we've got the horizontal stroke up here, curve it to the diagonal, and finish it off here, and then make the lower leg or lower arm fairly large. Let's go ahead and make this three-dimensional. And let's draw our highlights. Just the ovals in the upper left. Like here we'll have 3 ovals because each of these are kind of catch some light. And maybe down here. And add these secondary highlights, which are just lines in some cases here. And a teardrop shape like right here. Obviously, if you don't have a lot of room to draw like a full shape here, just draw these lines like this, and you'll get the same effect. And that's pretty much it. Just a very short video to look over W, X, Y, and Z. And in the next video, I'm just going to show how you can put them together. For example, like if you're using it for a greeting card or a poster, and put these letters together to form words. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you're enjoying this series and learned something from it, and I'll see you at the next video. Have a great day. Bye.